Alright, I'm going to show you how to restore a broken iPod through DFU mode when all else fails. It's a pretty easy method, just follow the instructions step by step. Step 1, power off the device. Step 2, hold down the power and home button for 10 seconds and then release the power button, but hold the home button until the device connects to your computer. I'm doing this on a Mac, but on a PC it's the same process. iTunes will appear saying it has found a device in DFU mode. Would you like to recover? You'll say yes, and just let it do the update process then. Alright, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The device should be in DFU mode, and if I bring up iTunes, see the message, iTunes has detected an iPod in recovery mode. You must restore this iPod before it can be used with iTunes. Click OK, and then you click the restore button. It'll come up, it says it will restore it to its factory settings, all other media will be deleted, and the newest software will be installed. I'm not going to install it, but you just click the restore and update, it'll download the new software, and then install it, and then you just sync all your data back and it should work fine.